Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have got this lovely Ford Fiesta. Now this Ford Fiesta has got insanely low mileage, it has got fantastic service history, and it is a fantastic specification. In today's video, I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Ford Fiesta has the 1 litre petrol engine with a manual 6-speed gearbox. And with that, you get a fuel economy of 60 miles to the gallon. You get 123 brake horsepower, 2 keys, and it's Ulez compliant. Tax is £200 for the year, and first registered in September 2018. This car has covered just 4,800 miles. So we're going to just take a walk around, show you around the car, see any sort of marks that we find, and there really isn't any because this car is in fantastic condition. Now looking at the front bumper here, you have got front parking sensors. Looking there, the bonnet, very shiny, in immaculate condition. The windscreen tells you a similar story. This whole car is in really good condition. So I'll just show you down this driver's side here, show you that there's no damage that I can see here. Take a look at this wheel. Again, wheel's looking good. Now on the back here, you have got rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. Now, bumper is clearly been protected by this reversing camera and rear sensors because I can't see any marks on the back here. All looking good there. I'll just take a look at the roof. Again, nice condition. Now, down the passenger side here, again, all looking good. I'll just show you this rear wheel here. All looking good there. Not much to say in terms of damage or marks. The car has been clearly very well looked after. So, the only mark that I know about on this car, you probably can't see it. It's actually a very small amount of curbing here on the front passenger wheel. And that is all I could really see. But yeah, right, that was a walk round the car. Let's take a look inside. Right, so opening up the boot here. All looking very tidy and clean in the boot. You've got your parcel shelf here. Now, if you lift up this here, you have in fact got a spare wheel and fitting kit. Let's just take a look at these back seats. You'll find they are in fantastic condition, like the rest of the car. The two outer ones have got ISOFIX points. Now, in the back of these two front seats, you've got these two little storage pockets, and both the rear windows are electric. Right, let's take a look in the front here. And again, I keep saying it, like the rest of the car, immaculate, really good condition, this dashboard. Now, let's just take a look at the spec in the front here. So you've got electric mirrors, which are folding. You've got your door lockers here. All the window control switches are there too. Let's just take a look quickly at these seats. Again, no stains, rips, damage, or anything to really declare on them. Let's take a look in the car. Now, in here, you've got automatic lights, front and rear fog lights. Now, you've got your wiper stalk there. Here's your indicator stalk. Now, on here, you have in fact got your cruise control, which is adaptive, and you can set the distances. You've also got a speed limiter. Now on your center screen there, you've got Bluetooth, DAB, sat-nav, FM radio. Again, you can connect your phone up and listen to music and use a sat-nav. So down here, you've got your climate controls where you've got air conditioning, you've got heated seats, heated front screen, heated rear screen, and a heated steering wheel. Now there's your gear stick. You've also got a USB point down here and a 12-volt socket. Now down here, you've got your handbrake, you've got 2 cup holders, you've got an eco mode, a steering mode, and you've got your stop-start button. And in here, you've just got a little bit of storage. And to start the car, you just simply need the key in your pocket, and you just press that with your foot on the clutch. And then we'll just take a look at the dashboard there. As you can see, the engine's running smoothly with no warning lights on the dash. As you can see, we have got sat-nav here. If we press the home button, my phone is currently connected. Don't know why it's playing U2. You do also have CarPlay, which you use your USB port to hook up with that too. And down there, you've got a wireless charger for your phone. This car will come with a fresh MOT, service, and a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty standard, which you can upgrade to a 6 or a 12-month one if you wish. Now, this car has got full service history as per the dealer recommended service intervals, which was every 2 years up until the car's 6 years old, which this car has kept in line with because it's had services in 2020, 2022, 2024, and then that's when it was 6 years old, 2025, and again, it'll have another full service by us ahead of delivery. Now, if you like this car, you can secure it with a £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do also offer finance and delivery. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We are very proud of them, but thank you for watching.